If I were you. Hello, Sally. You're very late. What happened?
I'm so sorry. I would have been on time if the traffic hadn't been so bad.
I was so surprised when you called me yesterday and told me you wanted to come to the gym with me. I think that's fantastic.
You know, lately I felt so out of shape, so I want to change my lifestyle. And I want to lose weight too. If I hadn't gained so much weight, I would have been more energetic. I know you are an expert in this, so if you have any advice for me, I'll be happy to listen.
Well, if you didn't eat so many sweets anymore, you would definitely lose weight.
You're right. I have been eating too many sweets lately, almost every day. And I know that if you eat too many sweets, you gain weight.
You should also try to avoid junk food. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables. You'll not get enough vitamins if you don't eat fresh fruit.
If I drank packaged juice instead of eating fruits and vegetables, would that be enough?
I wouldn't drink packaged juice if I were you. It has lots of sugar. If you want to be in good shape, exercise at least 2 times a week. Do you practice any sport?
Not anymore. I used to go to the swimming pool a few years ago. If I could work out twice a week, that would be awesome. So, work out, lots of fruits and veggies, no junk food. What else should I do?
You need to get enough rest if you want to stay healthy. Do you get enough sleep?
I'm afraid not. I sleep only 5 or 6 hours a night. I watch TV until very late because I'm not sleepy at all.
Do you still drink cola in the evening?
Yes, I do.
If you didn't drink cola in the evening anymore, you would be sleepy.
Okay, I'll stop drinking cola in the evening. It's so much effort to make. If I don't lose weight, I will be disappointed. If I lost weight, I would be happier and more energetic. Have I told you that I want to apply to the Academy of Dramatic Arts and become an actress?
No, you haven't. That sounds awesome.
That's why I need to be healthy and fit and look good.
If you were a famous actress, what type of movies would you like to act in?
If I were to act in a movie, I would like it to be an action movie. The only problem is that my dad is not supportive. He said that if I became an actress, he would be very disappointed.
Oh, I'm very sorry to hear that.
What would you do if you were in my place?
Well, if I were you, I would try to change his mind. If your dad sees how important this is to you, he might accept it finally. If I'd had any acting skills, I would have considered becoming an actress too.
So what are you going to do after you graduate high school?
I would like to become an air hostess. If I were an air hostess, I could visit so many interesting countries and people, and I would have such a thrilling life. But if I travelled so much, I wouldn't have time for my family. I want to get married one day and have kids. How could I take care of my kids if I were not home?
You would have many days off so that you could spend time with your family, you know.
You're right. I have to think more about this. So how about running together tomorrow morning through the park?
Oh, if I can wake up early enough, I will come.
If you go to bed early, you will be able to wake up.
Zero conditional. If you eat too many sweets, you gain weight. If you want to be in good shape, exercise twice a week. First conditional. You will not get enough vitamins if you don't eat fresh fruits. If I can wake up early enough, I will come. Second conditional. If you didn't eat so many sweets anymore, you would lose weight. I wouldn't drink packaged juice if I were you. Third conditional. I would have been on time if the traffic hadn't been so bad. If I hadn't gained so much weight, I would have been more energetic.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.